The rainy season is coming up, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your shoes waterproof. In a normal situation, this is what happens when water falls on a shoe. It becomes wet and soggy and very uncomfortable to wear. In order to avoid this from happening, all we need is a blow dryer and a candle. Yes, a candle. Now this is the second shoe. Rub the surface of the shoe with a candle, and ultimately you will end up with a layer like this. It is a whitish layer. Now don't worry, this whitish layer can be removed with the help of the hairdryer. The wax coating becomes completely transparent. Now it's time to add the water, and let's see what happens. The moment of truth. So we have successfully managed to waterproof our shoes. If you like this video guys, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon.